Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Minecraft and you keep getting this error, GLFW Error 65542, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Minecraft easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to click download on here and you're going to download this file. Click start download, open it up, and then you're going to go into this folder, and then you need to copy this folder to your Java folder. So just open up your Explorer, go to your C drive, program files, Java. Here you'll have a Java version. You're going to open it up, you're going to go into this bin folder, and then just copy or extract this file into your Java folder here. Click continue, and after that go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you open up Minecraft, you'll see that your game will launch correctly and you will not get that GLFW error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.